there, girlfriend. Are you a busy professional who values her appearance and wants to rock her uniqueness with Mary Kay? Well, you are in the right place. Today, we are all about talking about back to school beauty erasers. Yes, and I'm sure you're probably wondering what is that all about? So we want you to stay tuned with us so we can share with you how you can erase fine lines, wrinkles, and dead and dull dry skin with ease. Stay with you and I will see you on the other side. Hey there, ladies. My name is Ingafay, and I'm a Mary Kay beauty consultant. And in this video, we are going to share with you two skincare options that are designed to help you refresh your routine and really help you look as young as you can for as long as you can. We want to give you radiant skin. And the first one, well, the first skincare regimen I want to tell you about is the Timewise Firm. And the Timewise Firm set is definitely not a one and done set for everyone. It's definitely for someone that has advanced signs of aging. Well, the Timewise Miracle Set is for people that have early to moderate signs of aging. So that's how you really would determine exactly which product would be for you. In addition to that, it also comes down to skin type. For me personally, I am a combination to oily girl. I attempted to use the Timewise Firm set, but I found I started breaking out. And the reason that I found that it did that to me rather is because it is for people that had normal to dry skin. And the normal to dry skin folks need the moisture. Where I already have it. I already have my natural moisture with my oil. So I wanted to make sure that I had to switch back over to the Timewise Miracle Set because of that. So you really want to first and foremost get a skincare regimen that's based on your skin type. That's really what's going to help you get your desired results. And then you want to make sure that you have something that is fitting with what you actually want out of the product. For someone that's more oily like me, our level of deep wrinkles and fine lines is very minimal compared to someone that's normal to dry, because dry skin is what actually wrinkles up faster. So it really is very contingent on what type of skin type you have, and then what you want to do with your texture. Do you want to remove that dead, dull, and dry skin? You really want to make sure that you have the right regimen for you. And then I would also say lifestyle. I know the Timewise, and that was the whole reason they called it Timewise, was really about being wise about your time. So it allows you to have products that you can do more in a simple regimen, where you probably have 4 products to use in the Timewise Repair. You only have 3 in the Timewise Miracle Set. So that is basically another big thing that you want to take in consideration. Although both of them definitely have products that will help you individualize your skincare needs. So I wanted to show you the 2 products, or the 2 lines, so you could see exactly how they work and give you a breakdown play by play on what to use for your desired outcome. So let me show you this here. This is the Timewise Repair. This is the one that I was telling you that is for the advanced signs of aging. It has 5 products in it. 4 of them you're going to use depending on the time of day. Both, whether you're using Timewise Repair or the Miracle Set, you're going to use this twice a day. So you would start off with the cleanser. After you pat your face dry, you would follow up with the lifting serum. The lifting serum is basically a youth in the bottle product. It helps lift your, it lifts the contours of your skin, and it helps your skin to be tighter. It reduces the appearance of sagging skin, and also helps your look to be firmer. The day cream, of course, is going to give you the protection from the harmful UVA and UVB rays that lead to wrinkles. And it has an SPF of, I believe it's 30. Yeah, an SPF of 30. And then you have your eye cream. Your eye cream is what I absolutely love because it has a unique tip to it that really allows you to get the cream into your eye area and help reduce eye puffiness and dark circles. So that's one of the key things that I absolutely love about the eye cream. So you would do that in the morning in that order that I just mentioned, the cleanser, the lifting serum, and the day cream. And then at night, instead of using the day cream, you would swap it out for the night cream and still apply your eye cream after your night cream. And as you can see, that we have 2 ratings right here for this particular product. There were 2 ratings, and they've both given it a 5 for the Miracle Set. So let's just see what they said. I mean, this is not the Miracle Set. This is actually the Volume. This is the Repair Set. And it says, expensive but worth it. I use this regularly and had been so happy with the results. My skin is moisturized, the sunscreen works, and doesn't make me break out. And I love the lifting serum. Now, the lifting serum, again, is what I told you is the youth in a bottle. So you definitely want to use that. And I've actually used that with the Timewise Miracle Set. That's one of the great things about Mary Kay is that you can interchange the products. The lifting serum is a product that I could use and not have to worry about the breakout. So if you're looking for something that will lift your skin and give you more tightness and firmness in your skin, that would definitely be it. And then the second one is I have been using twice a day. So she's taken the regimen. She's seen her upper lip lines erased completely, and my ones, I'm not sure what that, my 11s, I'm not sure what that is, were drastically decreased. So they both would highly recommend this to a friend. So again, if you're looking for a product that you have for normal to dry skin and you have advanced signs of aging, these products would definitely be the ones that you wanted to use for sure. Now, I also want to show you the Timewise Timewise Miracle Set product as well. This is going to be for early to moderate signs of aging, and we'll show this to you really quick too. This is more of a 3-step product process than a 4-step. So it has the cleanser, and the great thing about the cleanser is a 4-in-1 cleanser. So you're able to cleanse, exfoliate, tone, and moisturize in one. It also has a brightener in it, and it has the exfoliator removes that dead, dull, and dry skin off of your face. In addition to that, it also has a day cream that you would use, and you would use the day cream after the moisturizer for this product, and then the night cream you would apply before. Now, when it comes to the order of your products, you always want to put the thing that is the closest to your skin, like a serum, like the night cream, you want that to be put on first. And the reason that you're putting the day cream on after the moisturizer is because that's the one that has the SPF. So it's really all about the function of the products that you're using that you want to be cognizant of when it comes to the order. So this is going to give you vibrant skin. It's going to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it'll really allow you to have a skincare regimen that is strictly according to what your skin type is, because it comes in normal to dry in combination to oily. So if you have girlfriends that are looking to erase those fine lines and wrinkles and remove that dead, dull, and dry skin, these products would definitely be for them. You can scan this QR code to and type in Timewise Repair in the search bar, or Timewise Miracle Set in the search bar, and it will take you directly to the products so that you can get the one that is best for you, girlfriend. So share this with 3 of your friends. We'll see you the same time, same place next week, and I can't wait to see you. Take care and bye for now.